Hey everyone, welcome back to 25 Sweetpeas at day 5 of Nailmas, which I'm super excited about because today I'm showing you this cute little reindeer look. Now, all of the products that I used to create this look will be in the description box below, so all the polish that I am wearing in the pictures will be listed down there, but I'm not really going to talk about them as we do the design because basically all the design work is done with acrylic paint. So let's get right into it. So first up, you want to put on your favorite base, of course, and then you want to put on a sheer polish. So for this, I've basically picked what I would consider like a French manicure sheer. I use the Zoya, which we listed in the description box down below, but it just kind of perfects your natural nail and gives it a frosty, milky color, which is what I want to be my base for this design, because now we are going to go in and kind of build the framework here. First, we're building an oval like circle. We're not going all the way over to the edges of our nails. We're keeping it very centered into the middle, and this is what is going to be our head. So I suggest you do the outline first, and I don't know if I already mentioned it, but I'm using white acrylic paint for all of these details because it is just the easiest thing to work with. And once I have that all like outlined, I'm gonna just fill it in because this is our head, very similar to how I did my unicorn manicure earlier in the year. So if you guys watch that, this is a similar how-to process. So you're just going to do that until it is completely white. If you have a sheer white acrylic paint, then you might need to do 2 or 3 coats, but here I used 1 coat and I used a Craft Smart white paint, which is from Michaels. Then I'm putting on the ears. Now I kind of want to offset the ears because we are going to be adding a little cute Christmas hat and of course antlers, so you want to offset your ears to the side and kind of envision where you're going to put your hat, and you can kind of just go from there. Now we're actually going to put the hat on. So this is going to look super weird to you at the beginning, but you just want a white base for the hat to go on. So just kind of go up and make a rounded triangle on the top of the head and leave a little gap there because that will be kind of where the hat bends over, and your fuzz of your hat will actually be on the head that you already have. So now we're going to put in our nose while the top part of the white is drying, and I'm using red, kind of, you know, the whole Rudolph vibe. And now I'm going to fill in the hat. So where I want my hat to be, I'm going to put the red, and I'm going to leave little sections towards the bottom that later we're going to outline and kind of be the white fluffy stuff on a Santa's hat and like a pom-pom as well. Now, while that is drying, I'm going to carefully go in with a very thin nail art brush and some brown acrylic paint and put in the antlers. I kind of want to center this between the ears and the hat, so where they meet is a good place to start. You're not actually going to have the base of the antlers hitting the head. It's like behind the ears and behind the hat. Now, to give everything a very complete feel, I'm going to go in with black acrylic paint and kind of just give everything a rough outline. So here I am outlining the edge of the hat where I want to make kind of a point coming down, like the hat is flopping over, and I want to give the sides some definition by putting in the black lines as well. And then we're going to also use the black to kind of give the texture and the illusion of the white fluff at the bottom of the hat, and for the little pom-pom that's at the tip of the hat that has like slouched over. So that is what I'm doing currently, and as you guys see that, it makes more sense from what we were seeing earlier, and then it really makes sense. And after that, I'm just gonna go in and put little lines in the ears just to give it more of an ear-like appearance, because maybe before it just kind of looked like a white blob, which I mean is okay, but might as well give it a little extra something. And now for like the final touch, which is the cute little eyes. You can do your eyes however you want, but I kind of wanted to go for that whole like trendy eyes closed with the cute little eyelashes, which I will totally say is very tricky to do. If your lines get too thick, you're okay because you're working on a white base. You can easily go back in with white paint and touch it up, because as you can see here while I was doing it on camera, my lines were much thicker than they were in the actual pictures that you guys saw earlier, because that was a different one that I did off camera. But after that, you can put on your favorite top coat. Matte or shiny looks great for this design. And there you go. You have a very cute, fun little Christmas reindeer look for your nails. I feel like this is a really soft, girly reindeer approach, and I'm absolutely loving it. I hope you guys enjoyed it too. I'm having so much fun with Nailmas, and I hope you guys are. If you guys have any requests for upcoming manis that you want to see in Nailmas, let me know in the comments below. I have more, obviously, nail art tutorials coming, but I also have some other like nail related videos that are going to be in the mix too that I'm really excited about. So that is it for today. Thank you guys for stopping by for day 5. I can't wait to see you guys back here for day 6. Bye!